What's the meaning of caffeinated? Caffeinated. Caffeinated.
Caffeinated. Caffeinated. The term caffeinated refers to something that contains caffeine. Caffeine is a natural stimulant found in many food and drink products, such as coffee, tea, soda, and chocolate. When consumed, caffeine can increase alertness and reduce fatigue by stimulating the brain and central nervous system. However, consuming too much caffeine can also lead to negative side effects, such as jitters, anxiety, and insomnia. Therefore, it is important to consume caffeine in moderation and be aware of how it affects your body. Overall, being caffeinated means having caffeine in your system, which can provide both positive and negative effects on your overall well-being.